Now the next topic we are going to study is climate of India. India has a tropical monsoon climate. Now the climate of India is tropical monsoon type. Now this type of climate is the intermediate climate between the wet and the dry. In tropical monsoon type of climate, there are two dry seasons with low rainfall, and there is a distinct rainy season with very high rainfall. So in short, we can say that there are some characteristics of tropical monsoon climate. They are two dry season with low rainfall, cool and dry winter, whereas hot and dry summer. The second one is rainy season with very high rainfall. Third is high annual temperature of about 26 degree Celsius. There are many different factors which have given India its unique climate. Let's see those factors. Distance from the sea, altitude of a place, and direction of the wind. Now we are going to study them in detail. The first one is distance from the sea. Places located near the sea are neither too hot nor too cold. Places which are near the sea, they are not too hot, not too cold. Whereas places that are away from the sea have an extreme type of climate. That is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. The second one is altitude of a place. Now the word altitude means height of something. Places that are located at higher altitude experiences colder climate than the other places which are located at lower altitude. So this is the effect that is created by the altitude of a place. Now the next and the last factor is the direction of winds. Winds coming from colder region make a place cool, whereas winds coming from hotter region make a place hot. While the winds which are coming from the sea make a place humid, as it contain lot of moisture in them. Now that was all about the factors that affect the climate of India. Our next topic is seasons in India. Now what do you mean by season? The period during which the weather condition remains same is called a season. Season basically is a particular type of weather condition of an area which remains same for some time. That is termed as season. Now seasons in India. The weather of a place keep changing throughout the year. The year can be divided into 4 periods, wherein each period experiences a particular type of weather most of the time. These periods of the year that experiences different type of weather is called seasons. In India, basically we have 4 types of seasons: summer, monsoon, retreating monsoon, and winter. They remain here for some particular time duration, that is, summer remains from March to May, monsoon June to September, retreating monsoon October and November, while the winters remain from December to February. So these are the time duration for the particular type of season. Now you all are well aware about the weather conditions during summer, monsoon and winter. But here we have a special season which is the retreating monsoon. We are reading it for the first time. Now what it means? It marks the ending of the monsoon. That time duration is termed as retreating monsoon. or we can say it is the transition between hot rainy season to cold winter season. So here we complete our chapter. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.